Welcome to 735 North Las Palmas in the heart of Hancock Park. It's a 5-bedroom, 5.5 bath architectural with soaring high ceilings, a 7,200 square foot lot, pool, it's spa.
A hedged-in front yard, gated for privacy, floor-to-ceiling windows that open right up to an entertainer's dream backyard with an infinity edge pool and spa, a large outdoor deck, great outdoor area.
You don't want none of this. Money. Oh! Great wide open floor plan, modern lifestyle, high ceilings, big windows, beautiful trees out of every window. Right in the heart of Hancock Park. Driveway is gated, turfed yard.
With plenty of parking, located in a very serene and quiet neighborhood setting. Jump, Danny, jump!
Go, let's go.
Come on! Large private outdoor decks overlooking North Las Palmas Avenue.
Incredibly stylish, great volume, great scale, bright, modern architectural.